So we've been gone for a while, guys. Sorry about that.
We've been having performances at our school for 2 weeks. Finally, I performed on the last week for Thursday. But
Yeah.
I fell asleep a lot on Friday.
It was her first dance recital and she danced.
I stayed till like 8 o'clock with it. You know how hard that is?
Sorry, guys. So as dancers, we had to stay at the school from 8 a.m. all the way to, 9 p.m.
We collect things. We make things. Like, we collect stuff and make videos of it. We bake stuff, like DIY. And we have fun of doing all this stuff.
Yeah, so what are we doing today?
So today we were on Pinterest and we found some cool things. And we're going to make a couple of videos today just telling you guys out there. And it's someone's birthday today. Someone really special.
Grandma's birthday.
So that would be your mom's birthday.
Yeah, it's my mama's. But today we're actually going to decorate the Shiba Sparkle Studios because it has nothing.
The top one, I'm going to use the one I was here. I'm going to use these two paintbrushes.
Let's get started. What are some of the things that we need?
So we are going to, while it is DIY, we are going to use some dowel. Hold that up, Mr. Ducky Quack. We are going to use scissors. Now be careful, Mr. Ducky Quack. Hold it from here. And I'll lift it up from here. Here. And we're going to use some construction paper.
Yeah, we already put some of the shapes, triangles and rectangles.
Yeah, with the permanent marker, so it kind of stays there permanently.
And then rope and some glue.
Yep, and we also have some paint here. I want pink.
Yeah, you gotta leave it right there, mamas.
The owls kind of look like what do they call it again? I was just thinking about this. They kind of look like chopsticks, but
Hi guys, welcome back.
welcome back.
So we finished painting. It's a little bit wet.
Yeah, mine is a little bit wet, but before we started recording again, I got it up and it kept blowing.
Yeah, that helps to get it dry too. So what's our next step, Jenny?
So, as you can see, probably in the camera, I'm not sure. I'm only in my first person visit. We have these. As you can see, it's paper. It's construction paper with bit of marker.
We're gonna make triangles and rectangles.
So you can make the arrow. I'm gonna bring up right here. Lupe made a demo. See? It has the triangle part for the string and the hat. It has the pigeon theme stick and the string. And as you can barely see, it is the boy boy. And as you can see, it's very decorated. See, you can see the lines, and then it has the triangle right here. Okay, the light of the camera kind of got it by the way. Okay, it looks like it's blending in with this one. I'll get my pink party stick.
Pink party stick. Alright, so let's start gluing it. So, boop. I'm gonna start by gluing the triangle. Alright, Jenny, go ahead and put your dowel on top of that. You ready to do the cut?
Yep.
So Jenny's gonna put some slits on the rectangle part of it to make it look more like a feather, and she's gonna put her slits going down at an angle.
Okay. Gotta make sure it's good, and you gotta make sure that the string from the hot glue doesn't stick a lot, because you don't want that getting anywhere. I'll kind of slip around myself some space. Ooh, no. Do that.
And then, like tying shoes, you're just gonna wrap it around the base of the rectangle.
When I tie my shoes, I like to make them perfect. So, well, I try to make it perfect so they can at a good height. They are together. I do the first knot. See which one's taller and which one's not taller. So then that's when we tie. That's when I see which little buddy here gets to go first. So this one's taller.
Ooh, it's looking so nice. Oh, that's actually really cute.
I want it to get stuck, so when you pull it, it doesn't go escape.
Yeah,
So whenever it stops, I have to pull one of them out and then it quickly goes.
that's cool. You want to show the camera?
Yeah.
Guys, it's coming out looking so good.
It's looking so cool.
Alright guys, so we're going to come back with we're actually going to show you how we're going to decorate the studio with the rest of our arrows. So we'll come... And let go.
Move your head.
Oh no. And let go. What? And hi guys, welcome back. Again, where's Naomi?
No, she's under the table.
Oh, she's sad. You should try to hit us with a stick.
So,
Wait, do you want to explain what our arrows are doing?
yeah, so as you can see right here, there's the crossbow. And it looks like the arrows have been shot down. And they have landed.
Yeah.
Right down.
We also have a hanging little flower with an arrow sticking through.
And it matches the colors exactly perfectly. We made a little knot so it wouldn't fall as the last time we tried to do this.
Yeah. So, yeah, our Shiba studio came out pretty nice.
Yeah. And as a little bonus for you guys, we will soon make a video of a Valentine's card.
Yeah.
So we could stick it on the background. Let's go.
Yeah. All right, guys, I guess we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.